library accounts are patron records for non-CCS libraries. They are used when lending outside the system through OCLC. When lending items on OCLC out-of-system interlibrary loan, staff have the option to check the items out to an in-house card or check the items out to an ILL library account. Many libraries already have records in the database, but staff will find they may need to create an account for a new ILL library or update an existing account. This video reviews patron registration fields to pay attention to when working on an ILL library account. Refer to the how-to page on ILL library accounts for full step-by-step instructions. We will be using the record for the Brimfield Public Library District as in our example in this video. Let's open the patron registration workform view so we can take a look at those particular fields. The barcode. Each account still needs a unique barcode. For ILL library accounts, create a barcode that begins with ILL, followed by the library name and the abbreviated library type. Refer to the how-to page on ILL library accounts for examples. The name. Click the Use Single Name Field checkbox if you're registering a new user. Enter the library's name in the last name field, followed by their appropriate delivery code. Depending on the library, this may be their Rails code, their ILDS code, as with this example, or their OCLC code. Again, refer to the ILL library account's how-to page for full guidelines. If this is for an academic library, enter the university's name, followed by the library's name, then the appropriate delivery code. Under the Registered At field, select ILL for Cooperative Computer Services, and for patron code, select ILL library. Expiration date. We don't want to worry about these accounts expiring. Set the expiration date to 100 years into the future. Birth date. Since these are cards for institutions, they don't technically have a birth date to input. Enter the placeholder date of January 1st, 1900. For statistical class, if the library is in Illinois, choose the statistical class of ILL inside Illinois. If the library is outside Illinois, choose ILL outside Illinois. The next relevant field for us to focus on is the ILL RB library code field in the Attributes section. Select the library's name if it's included in the list. If not, select either Other inside Illinois or Outside Illinois, depending on where the library is located. Let's jump down to the Address section. Just like the expiration date, make sure the address check date is set to 100 years in the future. In terms of notices, if you have an email address for the library, enter the email address and choose Email address as their notification option. If not, select Mailing address to issue the library print notices. Finally, the last field to pay attention to is under the Preferences section. Click the checkbox for Exclude from Collection Agency. We do not want these accounts to be sent to collections. This video covered specific fields to pay attention to when adding or updating an ILL library record. For full instructions, please refer to the how-to page on ILL library accounts. If you have any questions, please email help@ccslib.org.